business icon Mr. Bajaj has given the teams their most daunting task yet. Based on what Bajaj Auto did right and wrong over the last decade, the teams must present to Mr. Bajaj their business strategy for Bajaj Auto for the next 5 years.
The field trip to the Bajaj factory was quite an interesting experience.
Chakan facility बहुत ही state of the art facility है, and I really love the facility.
Here you have all the products which we have produced from beginning in this plant. We started with Sapphire, then Pulsar came in 2001, then Discover, then different variants of Pulsar and Avenger.
How many bikes get rolled out over a period of time, sir?
Currently we are producing around 3600 vehicles per day.
Per day.
This is our vehicle assembly shop.
The entire streamlined, the robotic machines moving around, it all looked very high tech. So extremely impressed, and it's quite mind-boggling to know that a Bajaj Pulsar rolls out every 30 seconds.
Now this stage is there where the engine is delivered on the line.
Great experience to see a manufacturing line producing the largest selling bikes in the country.
It was extremely fascinating because to see something come alive, किसी चीज़ को nothing से everything जाते हुए देखना उस 30 minutes के gap में, that was an amazing experience.
Actually, after assembly, this is called the dynamometer. He checks all parameters on the parameters.
I could not imagine that a company in India would actually have something like this. Very lean, very low on HR consumption, very low in terms of the space utilization, very agile manufacturing and things like that. So it was a very great experience interacting with the people over there as well as sharing the thoughts of Mr. Rahul Bajaj. We got the entire facilities in terms of space to sit and work.
साथ पे काम करना पड़ेगा, dude, because we have to make sure that we have to have a common point.
First, we sort of started dividing the questions, then went through the numbers. It was going nowhere.
तुमने लिखा था, what did Bajaj do wrong? उसके अलावा कोई point है? कर रहा हूँ wrong है कि right है वही निकाल रहा हूँ. Annual reports पढ़ रहा हूँ.
Fuel efficiencies, dynamics, looks.
Well, we decided to have a very focused approach which actually addressed the issue rather than getting into details of what caused that issue and how can it be improved for the future of Bajaj in a two-wheeler segment.
What landmark changes did take place in the Indian two-wheeler industry over this 10 years? Of course, over the 10 years, we have seen the decline of scooter market and becoming a bike market.
If you can start capturing this,
Yeah, I am.
I'm going to work on strategy. I'm going to find out those numbers we need. Okay?
Yeah. I think our team definitely showed some strength in having different ideas, thinking outside of the box, which of course is important, especially if we're showcasing our entrepreneurial skills. It starts to break in 98, 99.
They didn't foresee the trend.
No, we'll have to quantify with data. We'll do it anyway. Focus. I am very comfortable with numbers, anything analytical. Being an engineer and having done this as part of my whole business experience, I somehow feel that under pressure I am always able to perform.
Bajaj at that time got JVs with Kawasaki in place because of Rajiv Bajaj. That's when they created new products, and that started showing the effect after 2003-2004. तो effect को लाने में time लगेगा, 1.5 साल का ना product बनने में पूरा.
I was pretty confident of my abilities and in such tasks of presentations and analytics and stuff. But when me and Saurabh were paired up, we were sort of contrasting personalities.
What did they do wrong? तो पहले मैं बताऊँगा wrong क्या है. अब इसके reasons क्या थे? बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. एक तो overall market decline हुई. दूसरी motorcycle और two wheelers. 1 साल के लिए.
was handling the strategy for the future bit, whereas Tushar was handling the other questions. I've done basic in what is the roadmap for the future, what are the potential things that will impact, what are the big structural changes in the economy, what is its impact on the biking industry.
The other teams work out their difference in personalities, but the differences between Kunal and Alok could prove to be their undoing.
The points where every company had a specialty. No, BL had a simple question. Have you written the name of the companies? तो presentation में लिखा कैसे? भाई तो पूछ रहा हूँ हाँ या ना बोलना यार. हाँ तो बस बोल खत्म बात. हाँ या ना बोल यार. इतना लंबा घुमा के क्यों बात कर रहा है? I have done question 2 and we said once you do 5 I'll be able to do 6 but you don't have time left anymore.
Very tightly time bound, which meant that there was a lot of pressure on us to choose what we wanted to spend time on. यानी कि इतना डेटा अगर मिला आपको, अगर आप उसमें टाइम स्पेंड करें, वेस्ट करें, तब आप you will get nowhere. Basically the idea first is to understand कि क्या मतलब की चीज़ है, क्या मतलब की चीज़ नहीं है, और उसमें से solution निकालना.
Let's touch base in about 20 minutes.
Okay. My time is 18 years old. 13 minutes.
The teams have been working against the clock.
This is too little time.
Pressure to make an impressive presentation is taking its toll.
टाइम नहीं बचा हमारे पास अब. दे फटाफट दे. Around 1999 to 2000, the Bajaj Auto Limited at that point in time was not riding this technology.
What we should do? I think time is up, so whatever judges says, I... Thank you.
Time has been the biggest villain of it all.
I hold both responsible.